Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my video. I want to start posting videos because why not? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have the hiccups, I'm gonna ride this old bike that I had like when I was very little. And we're gonna see if I can still ride it. Let's go. Okay, it's right here. Ow, I'm gonna get it. I'm not wearing any shoes because I don't want to. Who said I have to? Okay, so I'm gonna try to do it right here. I'm gonna down my hill. We're gonna see if I can still ride it. Don't mind the birds. Okay. Okay. I almost fell. Okay, I'm going. Bye. Ow! Ow, that hurt. Oh, shoot. I'm coming, guys. Ow. Okay, I'm here. I fell. It didn't hurt. I think. But yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, there's my cat. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm not usually out of breath like this. Look at my cat. Oh, he's so cute. She's so cute. Don't mind the little thing over there. But I'm on my deck. It's really beautiful outside. But it's really hot. So I was just stuck in the car for a very long time. Like a very, very long time. It was really hard to don't go in front of the camera. No, girl, get out of the camera. I'm trying to lead you out, but sorry, I have to pause this. My baby. There's so much bird. I'm so tired. Because I woke up really, 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 really early. Like 7 or 8. So there's I woke up. I'm on a good sleep schedule right now, but hopefully that actually continues and it doesn't, flop all the way down. I'm really scared for school because I don't think I have any classes with my friends. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Help me. I'm so scared. I want classes with my friends, but then I found out I don't have any classes with my friends. I don't know about that actually. I don't have any classes with my friends. I miss my friends. My voice might sound chopped in this, but it'll be fine. But yeah. Yeah. I just I'm like very insecure in my voice, so I'm insecure of a lot of things, but I don't like to talk about them on the internet. So I think everyone's insecure of something. Like, and like, I mean, I know that is some people that have like perfect bodies or anything like that. Like they're skinny, body dysphoria. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Some skinny girls think they're fat. After that, my sisters, if you know, I had that. Well, my sister. No, none of them told me that. My friend. My cousin does. My in real life friends might know who I'm talking about, but yeah. Ow. Shit. Okay. Second time. But most of my friends, they think that they're fat every single time. I'm like, no, you aren't. No, you aren't. Because like, I've told them before. I know how it is. If anyone wants to talk to me, my DMs on TikTok, no. Hold on, I can't even text them. My DMs on my Lance account, text me on there. They're open on them. DM me on there and let me know if you're doing, or if you're struggling. Okay? I was looking for, but I don't know how we got there. We were just talking about like, there. But yeah. And can't even say hi to my cousin anymore because she's gonna be moving schools, moving out. I live with my cousins. They're moving schools, except for one. She's staying here. Maybe not tomorrow. And that's really upsetting. I love her. I try to play with her real good. No. Let me rephrase that. I better play with her for like a lot. Like play with her baby rides, a lot of stuff. I might show a video of me. I just hit myself up. But I might show you a video of me and her playing around. But yeah, that's what I want to talk about. Bye. Have a great day. Like I said, my DMs are open on my Rant account. I will try to put that in my bio. So yeah.